How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Real solution. Want to disable profile picture zoom on Instagram? Here is the accurate answer. Important first. On Instagram, there is no official setting to disable profile picture zoom. Anyone who visits your profile can tap your profile photo to enlarge it. Instagram does not currently provide an option to turn this feature off. What you can do instead: privacy tips. 1. Make your account private. Go to Profile. Tap Menu, 3 lines, arrow, Settings and Privacy. Turn on Private Account. Only approved followers will be able to see your profile picture. 2. Use a low detail or minimal profile photo. Avoid uploading high-resolution personal images if you don't want them zoomed clearly. 3. Block specific users if needed. If you don't want certain people to view your profile picture, open their profile, tap Block. Final summary. Instagram does not allow disabling profile picture zoom. The only control is using privacy settings like private account or blocking users.